Now you can see the list of devices that this works with. Now you can see for iPhones it's unlocked, so it's activated. You won't need like a SIM card or any kind of that stuff. It also works on the iPhone 3G and 3GS, even though I don't see why you would get it on an iPhone 3GS. And it also works for the iPod Touch first generation and second generation, but for the second generation it's only an MB model. Now how do you know if your iPod second generation is an MB or MC model? You go to your settings, general, and about. As you can see on the model, it starts with an MB, so if it starts with an MC, then it's an MC model, which means it won't work. Now this does work best with Windows 7, and if you don't have Windows 7, you can always just get a virtual machine in VirtualBox like I have right here. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser. In my case, I'm gonna type BlackDoor iPod Touch 2G because that's the device I have. I'm gonna find this first link from the website blackdoorproject.com, so I'm just gonna click on the link. I'm gonna go to the blue download button of download now on the BlackDoor 1 series. It's gonna lead me to this link, vertise link, and here is where the sketchiness starts. So I'm just gonna scroll down and click on the orange button where it's marked get website. So you're gonna get redirected to this, and you're gonna have to click on I'm interested, then click on learn more, close out the tab, and then it's gonna take a bit of a while for the learn more to register. After that's done, you're gonna click on continue, and then click once again on get website. Now you'll get this pop-up, so you're gonna click on copy. It's gonna copy the text. I'm just gonna open a new tab and paste the link, then hit enter. You're gonna get this loading screen first of all, and then now you can click on the green download button. I already have it downloaded, so of course it's gonna immediately tell me to save on the computer, but for you, first of all, it's gonna start downloading. You're gonna go to the app called iReb, which I will link in the description and also in the comment section, like a pinned comment if I remember. So of course you're gonna click on yes, and then you're gonna get this pop-up. Now I'm gonna select iPod Touch 2G, but before I do that, I'm gonna set it into DFU mode. So as you can see right now, I am gonna plug the iPod with the computer and then hold the power button and the home button at the same time until you see this menu. The screen will go black, then let go of the power button while holding the home button, and you're gonna hear a sound. There you go. Now for my case, since I have a virtual machine, I'm gonna go and switch the drivers to the DFU mode driver. So I'm gonna go to settings, then USB, then add the new DFU mode driver, click on show. I'm gonna go to iPod Touch 2G, unplug, there you go. Now our device is in PON DFU mode, meaning we can get it to restore on the custom firmware without any issues. So we'll go to settings, and then I'm gonna update from the DFU mode to the PON DFU mode. It's not written PON DFU mode, but I'll just update it. So I'm gonna go to iTunes, unplug, then replug. There you go, iTunes has detected an iPod in recovery mode. We're gonna click on OK. Then here, you're gonna hold the shift button. Now I'm holding the shift button, and then click restore iPod. This will allow us to select the software file that we want to restore to. So in my case, you're gonna see beside the name BD6, like BlackDoor 6. So I'm gonna click on open, and it's gonna start extracting the software. Now you're gonna get this white screen. So I'm just gonna update the drivers from the DFU mode drivers to the recovery mode drivers. Now if you have a machine that is running Windows 7 natively and not through a virtual machine, you won't have to follow any of these steps. Everything will be done automatically. Unplug, replug. You're gonna get the off-centered Apple logo, which is a proof that it works. Now you're gonna update the drivers from the recovery mode drivers to the regular iPod drivers. There you go, click OK, then show, unplug, then replug. There we go. Now we're just gonna keep waiting until the iPod gets restored, or the iPhone, whatever device. Boom. And boom. And there we have our home screen. If you see that you still don't have a home screen wallpaper, then you can always go to the brightness and wallpaper section. I hate this autofocus. And you can just pick out any wallpaper. We're just gonna choose, and you're gonna set home screen, and there you go.